Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Fear the Walking Dead season 6, episode 8. I'm trying to remember, the last time that I saw you for an episode of Fear the Walking Dead. It feels like it was a long time ago. I can't remember when it was. I remember a little, which episode it was with this Halloween episode. It was something like that. So maybe it was for Halloween that we saw each other. That's it. It was this episode with Alicia, Charlie, with Dakota, a little about Strand, and a little about Morgan also. I remember things about that. During the gap, we had these bonus episodes of The Walking Dead. Of course, I watched them. Of course, I reacted to them. If you want to have these reaction videos, I'm gonna put the links. I didn't love these bonus episodes, but I really appreciated them for what they were. Bonus episodes to go deeper into each characters, and the last one about Negan was just this one. I loved it. This one, the one about Negan, I really loved it. So that's why maybe I'm really excited right there to go back with Fear the Walking Dead because of the story of Fear the Walking Dead and also because of the characters of Fear the Walking Dead, but maybe also because the last episode of The Walking Dead put me, in a good mood with this universe, with everything that is happening right there. What happened during the last episode, what I can remember, it's okay the story, but also my feelings about the characters. Alicia, I love her for sure. She's a real badass. She's also a great leader. We have also Charlie, and the more I'm seeing her on screen, the more I'm loving Charlie, really. We have Dakota. I don't have the same feeling for her, really. Not because of what she's doing, because she's not doing really things wrong. And we can all understand that she wants to escape, from her situation with her sister and all. We can all understand that. Maybe, we could want to protect her because of that, but I have trouble with that. How she is, her attitude and what she's saying, each time I have the impression that she's hiding something, that she's not saying everything, that something is wrong, something is wrong. Maybe it's related, I remember that we had something about how their parents died, so maybe there is something there. I'm wondering about that, but for sure I don't trust her. I'm open to the conversation, to admit her, into our group and to give her a place into the group. I'm not gonna trust her, like I'm not gonna give her an important mission to do. I'm not. I don't want them to give her a big mission to do, to really trust her, to trap her sister, to use her for that. Maybe at some point she can switch, maybe at some point she can do something stupid or wrong. I don't trust the girl. Okay, for having her into our group, for taking care of her, for making her evolve with the group and for doing mission with her, but not to trust her that much, like you can go do your stuff on your own, we're counting on that, our lives are depending on what you're gonna do on your own. No, not something like that at all. First trends, I'm not giving up on the guy because what happened during the last episode, again, it's my feelings, that I remember. It was a moment, when he had to choose, and in fact he chose to not choose, but at some point he's gonna have to choose, to make a decision. He's not ready to give up on all of the privileges that he has right now, but he's not ready also to give up on our guys to do something wrong to them, to hurt them and all, to kill them even more. So I'm not giving up on the guy. We lived too many stuff with him. We lived really a lot and bad stuff with him, so I'm not ready to give up on him. And Morgan, he was the running gag of the first half of this season, you know, appearing like that when no one is waiting for him, no one is expecting him to arrive, and saving the day each time, like really the running gag of the first half of the season. I hope that during the second half we're gonna see more. I hope that our guys also, they're gonna be with each other again, they're not gonna be separate like that. I'm waiting for Morgan to be more involved with the group and to also tell everyone his plan, you know, with saving guys, people, how he's doing it, that place where he's doing it, you know what I think about that. A lake which disappeared and no one saw that. I want to see more, I want to see Morgan more. Same for Dwight and all. We'll see. I don't know with who we're gonna be during this episode, if we're gonna be with some characters or everyone. You know me, I'm not watching trailers for episodes, I'm watching trailers for seasons. And with The Walking Dead and Fear the Walking Dead, I'm watching trailers also for the middle of the season, you know, this little trailer that they are making. But it was really subtle, you know, this trailer. We didn't see a lot, at least the one that I watched. I think that they created more than one trailer, but the one that I watched, it was the first one, and it was really a short one. We didn't see a lot. I'm okay with that, that's what I want. So I don't know what is gonna happen during this particular episode. I'm really avoiding, you know, the promo and stuff like that to avoid spoilers, to be really surprised during the episode. And just before beginning, I think that, yes, when you saw me for Fear the Walking Dead the last time, I had not the Patreon that I have right now. If you can be interested by that, I have now a Patreon on which I'm posting extended reaction part, which means, you know, the reaction part after the first editing. So for shows like that, you know, for The Walking Dead, for example, it was 5 or 6 minutes longer and with also longer screen. You know what I mean by that? So maybe you can be interested by that. Sometimes I'm also posting the full reaction part when it's big episodes, when I'm reacting a lot. You have the link on the description. You know also on the description if it's extended or full reaction part. And on this Patreon you have also some little privileges, you know, participating to live session with me, to chat with me, some drawings also. I'm also gonna begin to send you some letters for the ones of you who are on this Patreon since a long time now. Stuff like that. If you can be interested, don't hesitate. And that's all. I'm gonna finish this intro right now. It's a short intro, don't get used to it if you are new on my channel. If you're new on my channel, you don't know it, but I already reacted. I think that it was the last season of The Walking Dead and the first half of this one. If you can be interested, go check the playlist. And that's it. Don't get used to these short intros and let's go for this episode 8. I hope that it's gonna be a good one. I'm really excited, you know, about it. I'm really in a good mood. You're back in your cabin? Oi. Hey, oh, no? What? No! You're not like that. Don't do that. Thank you to all of these deaths, you know, which are coming. You have the entire world to clean and then you can kill yourself. Oh no, not a bridge! I'm tired of bridges in Walking Dead, Fear the Walking Dead, no. No! I think that the writers of Fear the Walking Dead and The Walking Dead are traumatized with bridges. Come, so I can kill you. What are you doing here? Yes. Morgan? What happened?
else helped me out a while later. I'm gonna have to add hers in the list.
I'm not gonna trust you now because of that, but thank you.
It's good to see you, Jen.
Good point. Hello, are you all alone? No.
Should have shot him. I didn't need to.
Yes, if you don't need to.
It's times.
And other people were waiting for me.
What was that about my cabin?
See? That's why I have trouble to trust her.
Where's June? Why she
Not
not
that.
It's not what we're talking about. Oh, it's not. Where's this place you said? 40 miles north. That's a ways to go on foot.
Paid attention to that too much. Dakota, I'm...
Somebody with your skills. My skills.
You want to use me as bait?
Yeah. But you don't worry, I'm not gonna let it get to you.
Even if they don't want to use you as a
Look,
bait,
this means a fight.
you're a bait.
That's why you need me. God, John, it's for our family.
What's this?
It's all the knife handle. The one that killed Cameron.
Morgan, you there? We got something we need to discuss.
Sorry, man.
Morgan.
Oh no! That's a bait, that's a trap.
I thought that might do the trick.
Hmm.
Okay, Morgan. So's baby. I think this little one's about 7 months now.
Oh!
What happens to her? Is that just Grace and the little chick who are dead? It's the whole damn poop. We'll talk.
Dear!
That's not the universe telling you to come back. I don't know what is.
Come on, John. We need you.
Give that baby a chance in the next world. One where, I don't know, all life might actually be precious. It's not going to be the way that we want it, but we can end it.
Oh. I love your optimism.
I'm sorry I can't do it.
Just try at least.
But I will help you cross that bridge.
No, stop with the bridge.
You don't even know.
I don't want any bridge involved into a story in these shows. Always ending wrong. But, excuse me? The guy was all alone?
You know that's why I need you, right? Help keep us from becoming like Jimmy. You know that, right? That's not the only reason.
I need you, John.
We'll need a battery and distributor cap. I think I can get this going.
I didn't know that you were good at that kind of stuff, Morgan. Okay.
It's not too late. Learn something. Do the right thing. Fix a mistake.
Dakota is talking for you right now.
Never showed up. Moved to a cabin on his own up north. Away from everybody.
So you're doing the same? That's it?
Why did he leave? Did he kill someone?
He did the wrong thing. For the right reason.
Seems like he was punishing himself.
Yeah, maybe.
Come on.
Just like
Come on! You didn't understand that by yourself, John? And writers? Come on! It's obvious. The parallel of that. You have to say it directly to us now. We're not that stupid.
it's just how life is now.
I'm glad Morgan's taking you that place.
Why is that?
You need to learn stuff.
Stay back. Found these.
Ew!
There's only so many words you can spell out with those. You're not meant for you. We're not meant to live in this world. I just kept my nose out of it. Cameron was killed. Janice would still be alive. You went looking for a door.
But I understand, you know, how desperate he is. This world is not for everyone.
That wouldn't have happened if you hadn't insisted that I sleep in the bed of your truck that night. You gave me that family, man. You gotta help me get them back. That's what I can think of to do that. To get you across that bridge, stay out your way. Just don't ever keep people out. Hell's important.
To keep him in, you know. After he's gonna kill himself, he wants to be sure to not hurt anyone as a dead one, you know, as a dead person. He really thought of it a lot. Too much.
Whoever saved me, they left me that. Make a change.
Please, Morgan, save him.
You know you're not your dad, right? I know, and that you don't have to make the same mistakes that he made. I found my way to keep going. I think maybe you could find yours. Wouldn't count on it.
Ah, well done. No bridge. Really? No bridge. In Fear the Walking Dead, no bridge. It has to be a rule now. You know, they're keeping the camera on her. Is she preparing something? Is she bluffing? Can we trust her? Just run, like there are not animals that you don't want to hurt by going like that. Am I saying that wrong or? He's encouraging you. Ready? Oh fuck. Don't panic. It's really a good time to tell her how to drive. I'm sorry, but come on. The situation is I'm not sure if I'm supposed to laugh or not. Guys. Oh, we don't have so many of them now, we can kill them all. Don't panic! No. Thank you, but put that down. Why didn't you do that? Minute 1. Not that, you know, with the bridge, but going like that so fast. You're killing them. Oh.